Let's jump right into the project demo. To begin with, we'll sign in as a user. Now, I'm directed to the upload page. Here, the user has the option to either upload any textual document from your personal computer by clicking the Choose File button, or the user could instead search for a topic and get relevant papers suggested from the ARXIV dataset. Personally, I would like to learn more about the best textual analysis techniques for machine learning, and so I enter it in the search box. I find the second recommendation fascinating, so all I'll have to do now as a user is click on the desired paper, and voila, I'm directed to the result page. Now, this is where all the magic happens. Firstly, on the left, our software beautifully displays the extracted textual content from the research paper, and then uses Google Natural Language API to highlight important keywords. Clicking on these words like corpus and lemmatization allows us to get the definition, facilitating a much deeper understanding of the text. Secondly, we provide our users the ability to get a TLDR summarization of the entire paper by merely clicking the full paper button in the summarizer component. However, if a user wishes to only summarize a specific segment of the paper, the user could simply copy the desired text from the left and paste it in the summarizer text box, which is then dynamically summarized right in the text box. Our software also employs machine learning to allow users to pose specific questions relevant to the context of the paper and receives highly accurate and concise responses. To test this, I enter the following questions. Why should I use LAM? And how good is LAM and STEM in contrast to standard embeddings? And as you can see, we receive meaningful and concise responses to answer them, saving countless research hours for our users. Finally, we also recommend similar research paper using Roberta large model, which greatly helps in reducing the time invested in searching relevant resources. All of the requested summaries, definitions, and questions are stored for the user on Firebase and is instantly visible when the paper is revisited by the user.